my sister Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
So she's going to learn how to start the 71 Cutlass with a carburetor.
You're serious, really?
Yeah, you are. So
Oh dear.
it's not as bad as it seems. So
What's the pump thing?
so the gas pedal's right there.
Yeah, that's what it
Yeah.
is.
So you're going to want to 3 pumps to the floor,
Short.
and then you're going to want to turn the ignition. So just turn the ignition on first.
Wait.
Close the door so the buzzer doesn't go off. It's annoying as heck.
Let's see. Okay, so brake. No, I'm short.
You can raise the seat forward if necessary.
Wait, where did I do
There's a
that?
lever on the back side, on that side. Pull it back, and there you go. Push it as far back.
It's not working.
There it goes.
Yay, praise.
Okay, so push the key all the way in, and turn it to oil light. I'm going to turn this off.
It's on.
So the oil light, when that light turns off, that means the carburetor is primed, and the engine will be turning over. So give it 3 pats to the floor. 1, 2, 3. Now hold it to the floor and turn it over. Now. And hold it for a second. Give it a couple more. Come on. Another one. Another one. Another one. It's funny, isn't it?
Oh my goodness.
You'll get it.
Okay, 1 pat. Great.
Okay, let off, let off.
Yes!
You got it.
Yay!
You'll get it. Okay, let off, let off.
Yes!
You got it.
Yay!
It's not that hard.
Touch my fingers. This is definitely my finger.
Yeah.
Ow!
You got it, Sarah. Give me a high five.
Woo! Yes!
So you just started a car with a carburetor.
I hated it. But at least now I know how to drive this thing.
Yep.
Okay.
So we'll just let it warm up.
Okie dokie.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye!